Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to edit this image into this image. So today we've got this really cool image that I took over in Las Vegas of the Mirage Casino Hotel Resort. I don't know what it is. It's a kind of everything. It's a pretty cool image. I took 3 images because I wanted to do a HDR composite again. So starting off, we've got this properly exposed, underexposed, and overexposed. So to get started, we want to merge these 3 images. We're going to press Ctrl H on a Mac. It's going to bring up the HDR merge preview dialog box window. All my settings are already pre-selected. I'm going to have auto align, auto settings, and I'm going to have degauss set to medium. I'm going to click merge. It's going to merge this baby for us. It's going to create a single file that's going to look pretty awesome. It's going to grab the best bits from all those images and combine them into one sweet ass image. Oh wait, am I allowed to say sweet? I don't know. Definitely not allowed to say the A word. Okay, now that the image is finished combining together, let's take a look through properly exposed, underexposed, and overexposed, and let's see what it comes out. So this is what the HDR image came back with. I'm really liking it. Let's jump over to the develop module and spice this image up. I'm gonna put up the exposure a little bit, and I'm gonna drop the highlights, but I'm gonna put up give it some contrast and a little bit of sharpness. Whoops, I think I pressed the wrong button there. Let's jump back into the HDR image and go up. I'm gonna add some blue to it. Whenever I'm doing anything at night, I like to add a little bit of blue to the image, and I'm gonna add some vignetting. Right, I'm gonna change the midpoint down, and I'm gonna change the roundness and feather. It's a bit too much. There we go. There we go. Huh? Liking that? Let's put the sharpness up a bit more. And yeah, man, it's getting there. It's looking pretty cool. So let's take a look. I feel like it's a little bit too green, huh? Let's get rid of some of that green. Let's go to the green. Bring down saturation a bit. Yeah. And from there, I think I'm gonna crop in a little bit. I'm gonna get rid of some of this space on the side here. Boom. Hey look, there's a Caesar's Palace in the background. I'm pretty sure that's Caesar's Palace. And I want to bring down the whites a little. But I want to pump up that contrast some more and add a little bit more. I'm going to put a bit more clarity and vibrance to the image. Whoa. Alright, let's see what it looks like from before. Right, so this is kind of what it looks like out of the camera. And doesn't it look a little bit too HDR-ish? Let's bring that down. Let's bring down the saturation a bit. Yeah, there we go. So before and after. Yeah, that was really fast. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Like always, if you want to see more editing videos, smash that subscribe button below. If you got an image you want me to take a look at or edit, send it in. I have the links below. If you guys got a question, yeah, I have that link below as well, so don't be shy. Send me your images, send me your questions, and I'll gladly make a video just for you. Until next time guys, see ya.